Hello my YouTubers, this is me again. And this is the third video, and right now I'm taking a video from my mother's room. Yep. And right now it's about approximately 1:52 p.m. in the afternoon. Still today's date, January 2nd, 2022. 23. Yeah. And they're still working their asses off with the bulldozers and such. Because some schmucks must have bought the land to put, like, racing cars in there. When they use it for, like, a soapbox derby. Yeah. And thank God I don't have to worry about these noisy-ass neighbors. Let's hope when we get these new neighbors, it's gonna have to be, like, maybe, friendly white people, but no dogs. I hope it's not no crazy people like the bad crazy people. You got to worry about with using drugs, and I have to worry about the smell from the next door. You don't have to worry about that garbage. Yep. The reason why I'm doing all these tapings because it's going to be for a family album, for updates. Just enjoy this third video as you can, my audience. Gorgeous out there. $110 I made this month. Yep. Believe me, the mall we have in Pottsville is Fairlane Mall wasn't that great that much these days. Ever since COVID-19, like they took away the Friendly's restaurant. Before COVID, there used to be the hot dog place. Then during COVID, they at Bossos store they used to have the dining area until January 2021. 2 years ago, they permanently closed down every Bostos all over the United States. They closed the restaurant part. It's been there for about 46 years. It's just I'm gonna let you know it's a tapping sound, like just checking things on the internet, known as the computer. I just do my eBay businesses and that, checking someone bids on the items, etc., etc. I don't want to give you like all the details. Keeps it up, we might gonna have like a good winter because we don't get any coldest days and snowstorms. But some days we might get some rain, snow for here on in mix. That don't mean nothing. That doesn't stick. That's what it means. I learned that when I lived in New York for all my life. Look at those bulldozers. They're working their butts off for this shit. Yep. How did they got no right to destroy the trees and such, and taking off the dirts and such. That's why I go down there every day. Just I don't want to miss out because for my memory. That's why I'm videotaping it, folks. Trying to prove once and for all they were actually like destroying acres and acres of Pennsylvania. I'll make them feel bad. It might take all day through this things anyway. But as soon as we reach that line with the battery, have to charge the phone. if this keeps it up. Just look at this. They just took down that big rock. Do this like a little bit closer up. This is an exact location of Laurel Boulevard. I did this before about Halloween about 2 months ago. About 9 weeks ago. I'm going to move this like a little bit closer. Hold on. This looks so close enough for my audience. They're making things flatter. I go down there every day. I look at the sites, and sometimes I fool around when I throw rocks and such. And boy, look at those bulldozers. They working their butts off for this. When we do the when they open up this garage thing, I'll be videotaping it, or I'll be videotaping like the construction site. I wish they move. I wish they leave. Look at that. It's going right over there. Nice acres over here in parts in Pennsylvania. Let's hope they're not going to do this every day. Only once in the blue moon. So we're gonna have like a good January, and maybe hopefully we're gonna have a good February then, and we won't see any damn snow, thank God. So, my audience, I hope you enjoyed this third video of the construction on Laurel Boulevard. And I'll see you maybe for the fourth video if my camera's probably charged. Comment, subscribe, or ring the bell on these 3 videos of the construction. What do you just think of it? You just take care, and I'll see you for the fourth one a little later. Bye. Keep you posted.